A given graph represents the VI characteristics for a semiconductor device. That means voltage and current characteristics. Here the y-axis represents the current and the x-axis represents the voltage here. By observing this curve, that means here it is a voltage value is it is here, and the y value means this is the uh, voltage and this is the I value. Okay. By observing this one, if you are going to go with the options, it is a VI characteristics for solar cell where point A represents the open circuit voltage and point B short circuit current. Okay. Yes, point A it is in the voltage and the point B it is in the current, that is short circuit. Then we'll see here some of the important points here. Okay. At open circuit, the current I is equal to 0 and the potential V equals to the EMF. And for the short circuit, I is its maximum. I value is equal to maximum, and the potential V is equal to 0. Okay. Here if you are going to observe, the point A represents the circuit voltage and point B is the short circuit current. Okay. Point B is the short circuit current. Okay. And the A represents the voltage. Then we can say option A is the right answer here.